Here's how you can open an ICC bank account online. So to do this, just go to the ICCbank.com website, and from the home screen here, what I think is the easiest way to do this is under where it says I am interested in, select opening an account, and then here select what you want to open it for. So for personal use, business, for getting your salary, for investing, or a different reason, I'll go personal. Now here you can see the available accounts. So they have for these specific requirements the wealth savings account and the family 360 banking. Now for example, if I want to have this one, I can click no more, and then from here it will take me to the savings account. And now if I want to actually open this account, so now you know which one you want to open, then what you want to go and do is just go back to the home page. Then here click accounts, select savings account, and then click open a savings account. Then here enter your full name, your PAN number, your PIN code, your mobile number, and then a one-time password that will be sent to your mobile number. From there, you can then go and sign up for the specific bank account that you have just figured out that you want to open. Now here are the documents required for opening a savings account. So first of all, you need identity and address proof. So that can be passport, Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID, or letter from the National Population Register. Then a communication address proof, so for example a utility bill, property tax bill, or a leave and license agreement. So just go and apply now, and just enter this, click apply now, and then follow all the steps, and then you will have opened your ICC bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.